Hi Andy, welcome to Brand Mandar Sankranti special live show. Today I'm going to showcase beautiful patolas. Let's see the mannequins first, then come to our live. Now back to our collections. The sari which I am wearing is stunning patola sari. Very lovely. Elephants and ambaris. Beautiful diamonds and florals. Lovely peacocks. Very beautiful. And the border is contrast both sides. And this is the lovely pallu. Very pretty diamond and heart shape booties వచ్చాయి along with the kadi borders and blouse వచ్చేసి contrast plain color వస్తుందండి plain blouse వస్తుంది with border red color blouse and ఈ saree pricing and details very pretty saree 18,500 అండి also patola pure silk screenshot తీసుకున్నారు కదా just WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Very beautiful saree andi. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, beautiful blue color blouse, blue color saree. Very lovely florals, ikat florals. And the border is kaddi along with the diamonds and heart shape booties along with the zari lines and border diamonds and heart shape booties and the blouse is self with border. You can go for contrast and gold blouse kuda suit avutundandi ila gold blouse kuda chaala beautiful ga untundi ilanti sarees ki. And this saree pricing and details. Beautiful price, beautiful lovely saree 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000 and this saree sunny viewers prices 9,520 andi patola silk. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Lovely bottle green, all over diamonds, plant booties and parrots, and border is kaddi with plant booties, florals and zari lines, and this is the pallu with diamonds and florals along with the floral border. And this is the blouse, self color with border. Wow, price andi. Just take a screenshot along with the code and the price is 8,640. Very reasonable price, beautiful saree. These are pure silks. చాలా రాయల్ గా ఉంటాయండి రాజ్కోట్ పటోలా సారీస్ అనేవి చాలా రాయల్ గా ఉంటాయి. One more stunning saree which is in blue and pink color. All over ikka diamonds and florals. with a pretty border, kaddi border with diamonds and heart-shaped booties. Pallu is contrast with border. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely and gorgeous. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Very lovely grey, light grey, pastel shade, all over diamonds and florals. Ikat diamonds and florals. And border is tissue border along with the diamonds and florals. Lovely pallu, diamonds and lines. And the blouse is self plain blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Basanti garu, Sujata garu, Lakshmi garu, Karuna garu, Kalpana garu, Madhu garu. Hi Andy, hi. Thank you so much for your love and affection. Lots of love in return. This saree screenshot తీసుకున్నారు కదా. Let's see another beautiful saree. One more beautiful saree which is in pink. Beautiful pink color. All over diamonds and florals inside the diamonds. And ఇలా స్ట్రైప్స్ వచ్చాయండి. బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి కడ్డీ బార్డర్. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ డైమండ్స్, ప్లాన్ బుటీస్. And the blouse is self color with border, self plain blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details. 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Lovely orange and purple evergreen combination, very lovely. It's a tissue saree, complete tissue with florals and diamonds. And border వచ్చేసి contrast with diamonds and florals along with the kaddi. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి ప్లాన్ బుటీస్ వచ్చాయి along with the border. Wow, blouse is contrast tissue blouse with border. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది ఈ సారీ. ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Very lovely pink and purple combination andi. Very lovely, beautiful saree. All over florals and diamonds, heart shape booties. Border chala beautiful ga undi. Kaddi with diamonds and heart shape along with the 1-inch kaddi border. And lovely border with heart shape and diamonds. And almost ఈ పటోలాస్ లో everything is woven in a geometric pattern and almost అన్ని florals and diamonds ఉంటాయండి ఎక్కువ, బట్ కలర్స్ చాలా వైబ్రెంట్ గా అండ్ అలాగే పాస్టల్ షేడ్స్ లో కూడా అవైలబుల్ లో ఉంటాయి మనకి పటోలాస్ అనేవి. అండ్ చాలా సాఫ్ట్గా ఉంటుందండి, ఫ్లోయీ ఉంటుంది మెటీరియల్ అనేది. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉంది కదా. ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 14,695. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. And we ship globally and within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda undandi. Chakka book cheseskondi and the courier vachaka you can pay the amount. Hyderabad lo unna vallaki lovely maroon and purple combination all over plant booties వచ్చాయి, elephants వచ్చాయి, lovely kaddi border with heart shape booties, beautiful pallu, and this is the blouse, contrast. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Priyanka garu grey saree చూయించాలా? యా అండి, వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండి, బ్యూటిఫుల్ గ్రే అండ్ లైట్ పాస్టల్ గ్రే అది. అండ్ లవ్లీ బార్డర్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ మొత్తం ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి, చాలా స్టన్నింగ్ గా ఉందండి. దీనికి కాంట్రాస్ట్ మంచి గోల్డ్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ వేసుకుంటే చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఒక్కసారి చూసేయండి. ఆరెంజ్ మెరూన్ కూడా బాగుంటుంది. జస్ట్ సీ ద సారీ. అండ్ లొకేషన్ వచ్చేసి రోడ్ నంబర్ 56 జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ నియర్ పెద్దమ్మ టెంపుల్. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ స్టోర్ ఇస్ అట్ రోడ్ నంబర్ 10 బంజారా హిల్స్. ది బోత్ ఆర్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. లెట్స్ సీ ద సారీ. జస్ట్ ప్రియాంక గారు జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ అ లుక్. And the saree pricing and details, here we go and the screenshot తీసుకోండి. 9,520 only. Send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Now back to our collections. Stunning green, very beautiful green color. All over zigzag ikkad design వచ్చింది. Kaddi border and very lovely pallu. Look at the pallu, very special. Swans achai. And the blouse is self color. You can go for gold blouse. And this beautiful saree costs. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. And this beautiful saree costs 9,200. And these are viewers prices only for 24 hours. Just grab this beautiful sarees. Let me show you another beautiful saree. One more green with the maroon combination contrast. This is the bottle green. All over ikat zigzag booties lines. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with plain booties. Red and dark maroon వచ్చింది. Pallu is contrast with oval shape plain booties. And blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Beautiful saree. Let me show you another saree. Lovely blue, pink and green combination. Ganga Jamuna borders. All over body. Elephants and parrots. And border kaddi. Above the border we got beautiful temples. Pallu, temples. And the blouse is contrast with border. And a beautiful saree, pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code. Geeta garu, grey color saree book chesukovalanunte ventane meer WhatsApp cheyandi screenshot with code 7337337000 on a number ki. And e-saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసుకుంటే మీకు ఈజీ అవుతుందండి. కోడ్కి కానీ ప్రైజింగ్కి కానీ శారీకి కానీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేకుండా ఉంటుంది. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Wow. Gorgeous black and maroon combination. All over checks. And border వచ్చేసి kaddi border. Above the border we got typical ikat design andi with florals, multi-color florals and stems, leaves. This is the pallu, contrast maroon color pallu. All over florals and alternate blocks, stripes వచ్చాయి. And the blouse is contrast with border. And ee saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. Very lovely black. Black lovers, just grab this beautiful saree andi. Everevaru unnaru black lovers? Let me show you another beautiful saree. Peach and yellow, dual toned kalneta saree antaru. All over ikka design, diamonds, heart shape booties and florals. And the border is kaddi border, tissue border with elephants, plant booties along with the zari lines. Very pretty border. Plant booties and elephants and lines, thread lines. And blouse వచ్చేసి self color with border. And ee saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. Very beautiful andi. అండ్ ఇందాక బ్లాక్ సారీ చేయించాను కదండి, ఒకసారి డీటెయిలింగ్ గా చూసేద్దాం. Now back to our collection. One more tissue saree, beige and green combination, red mixed. All over beautiful florals, leaves, and border is contrast with kaddi and plant booties and florals. Pallu is contrast with huge ikat design. Huge florals and so many florals in it. And the border is contrast tissue blouse with border. And the blouse is contrast tissue blouse. And this saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Green and purple Kalneta saree andi, stunning ga undi, light weight and very soft. Lines vachai, zari lines. And border vachesi contrast border with kaddi and temples. Ikkada downside we got lovely floral booties. This is the pallu with floral booties and border, kaddi border. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the beautiful saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Orange and pink, very beautiful, bright and beautiful. All over dotted booties and plan booties, florals. Border chesi, elephants and parrots. And we got kaddi with diamonds and heart shape booties. Pallu is contrast with plan booties and florals. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, let me give you. Here we go with the pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000, and it costs 10,488 only. Ruxana garu blue sky color ostundandi, sky blue color. We have so many colors, just stay tuned. Vachesindandi Ruxana garu, just have a look. Got the light and dark blues. All over body ikat booties vachai. And border vachesi geometric pattern along with the kaddi. And this is the pallu. Plain ochindi and borders, geometric pattern borders, and the blouse is contrast with border. And this saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000, and it costs 11,068. Very lovely patola. And difference in it, ఇది ఫాలింగ్ మెటీరియల్ ఉంటుందండి, చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ అది కొంచెం ఇక్కడ కొద్దిగా స్టిఫ్ ఉంటుంది, ఇది కొంచెం ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఫ్లాయీ మెటీరియల్ ఉంటుంది. బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండి, బర్nt ఆరెంజ్ విత్ మరూన్ కాంబినేషన్. Very lovely, stunning. All over beautiful ikat design with florals, diamonds and plan booties, heart shape booties. Border chesi contrast maroon color with plan booties and florals. And lovely pallu with florals and lines. Blouse is contrast with border. అండ్ ఈ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గార్జియస్ పటోలా సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి దిస్ ఇస్ స్పన్ అండి, స్పన్ మెటీరియల్, ప్యూర్ స్పన్ మెటీరియల్. అండ్ హియర్ వి గో విత్ ద ప్రైసింగ్. అంటే ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎందుకనేది మీకు తెలియాలని చెప్తున్నాను. ఇట్స్ అ ప్యూర్ స్పన్ మెటీరియల్ అండ్ ఇట్ కాస్ట్ 19,680. And this is more expensive than silk. Very gorgeous. Just grab this saree and let's see one more beautiful saree. It's a silk, all over diamonds and florals. Border is contrast with diamonds and heart shaped booties along with the lines, thread lines. This is also spun andi. Contrast border with oval shaped plan booties with florals. Contrast blouse with border is the beautiful combo. And the saree pricing and details. 20,320. It's a spun patola. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. అండ్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. లవ్లీ బ్లూ అండ్ పింక్ కలర్, వెరీ స్టన్నింగ్. అండ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ క్రాస్ డిజైన్ వచ్చింది విత్ ప్లాన్ బూటీస్ అండ్ ఎలిఫెంట్స్. అలాగే డాల్స్ అండ్ డైమండ్స్ వచ్చాయి. And the border is contrast with kadi and heart shaped booties and diamonds along with the florals. Very pretty border. Pallu with diamonds and heart shaped booties alternate. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Okay. Samia garu black saree చూయించమన్నారు కదా, ఈ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా. I'll show the black saree. Here we go. వెరీ ప్రిటీ అండి. బ్లాక్ సారీ మాత్రం సూపర్ గా ఉంది. నౌ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ కలెక్షన్. లెట్ మీ షో యూ another beautiful saree. Very gorgeous bottle green and maroon. All over body, tiger, elephants. సారీ ఎలిఫెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి, టైగర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వెరీ లవ్లీ. కంప్లీట్ చెక్స్ వచ్చాయండి డైమండ్స్ తో. ఆ చెక్స్ మధ్యలో కూడా డైమండ్స్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ ద బార్డర్ ఈస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎలిఫెంట్ అండ్ ప్యారెట్ బార్డర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ పల్లు, ఎలిఫెంట్స్, ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ ప్యారెట్స్, florals, chakras. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Very pretty andi. Let's have a look. Just do visit our store to feel the fabric. It's on road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. Let's see the saree. ఈ సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్. Okay. Now back to our collections. Hope you take the screenshot and a green saree di. Here we go with this one more beautiful saree which is in magenta pink. All over zigzag lines. It's a spun, pure spun material and the fabric is ultimate ga undandi, very soft. I can't even express the feel ante chaala soft ga undi fabric. And look at the border, elephants and peacocks vachai, contrast border and the shine. Look at the shine of the saree. And this is the pallu with lovely florals and elephants. And the blouse is self color with border. Very lovely. Awesome undandi saree matram. Just grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Anita garu, thanks for the compliment. Dual toned andi, green shade, red and green mixed combination lo undi saree anta. All over checks laga vachai, florals and diamonds. And lovely border, plant and floral border. Pretty pallu with plant booties and floral booties. And the border is contrast with border. Beautiful blouse. And the saree pricing. Here we go. This is spun again. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. And ivanni weavers prices andi, you don't find this discount in website. For more collections just visit our website www.brandmandir.com. and ee sarees matram weavers prices exclusive for live users, Instagram and Facebook live users ki matrame. And ee offer anedi 24 hours matrame untundandi. One more beautiful saree which is in bottle green and purple combination. All over cross design with dotted booties. And the border is contrast with kaddi. Very lovely pallu with beautiful jeer and tree booties. Enta bagundo. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Very lovely. Let me show you another beautiful saree which is an orange and pink color. All over pink color to florals vachai, leaves and florals, vines. And the border is contrast with kaddi and lines. And very pretty pallu with deers and tree booty. Very gorgeous. And the blouse is contrast with border. And e-saree pricing and details 9,200. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. In వేసుకున్న saree beautiful mustard అండి, yellow color with red combination. Dhanu garu, it's 18,500 and the code is A633. Just you can note down A633 is the code and the price is 18,500. Let's see another beautiful saree. White and black. One more evergreen combination, white and black anedi, half white with black and all over zigzag blocks vachai. And the border is kaddi border, contrast kaddi border. And different ga undandi, pallu matram yellow shade lo vachindi manaki with diamonds, triangular design. And the blouse is contrast with border, grey color. And e saree pricing and details 10,424. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful saree. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. And keep on following us in Instagram and Facebook andi for more updates. Wow, very lovely saree. Blue and red. Very shiny and very bright. Complete florals vachai, typical ikat design, heart shaped booties, swans, tigers, elephants, butterflies. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And border is contrast. And pallu contrast with oval shape booties andi, plant booties in the oval shape. And the blouse is contrast with border. Look at the shine and ultimate super soft undandi fabric matram. These are pure spun andi, pure spun material and bit expensive. And ee prices ki ivi raavadam anedi chala takuva. And you don't find this sarees and this at these prices. Very gorgeous. I just love the saree. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000 and it costs 27,600. Praveena garu, thank you for encouragement and support andi. Sadhana garu, Praveena garu, thank you so much for your encouragement and support. Keep on supporting us. Thanks for your love and affection. Lots of love in return. And ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. వెరీ ప్రిటీ అండి, సారీ మాత్రం చాలా అద్రిపోయింది. అండ్ ద ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ ఈజ్ టూ గుడ్. మీరు హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంటే కనుక వచ్చేయండి. లవ్లీ పటోలాస్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఫీల్ ద ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ జస్ట్ కమ్ డౌన్. ఇట్స్ ఇన్ రోడ్ నెంబర్ 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddama Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Let's see the saree. Now back to our collections. green tissue with purple combination, all over florals and diamonds. And the border is kaddi with diamonds and florals. Beautiful pallu with diamonds and plant booties and beautiful peacocks. And the blouse is contrast tissue blouse with border. Very lovely saree. This saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another pretty saree. Patola saree. All over diamond design to checks vachandi. We got beautiful tall booties, fishes, tigers and peacocks, and downside we got water and swans. Very pretty. Look at the weave, how cute it is. And border chesi temples and lines, contrast border. Pallu chesi contrast with oval shaped plant booties along with the flowers, and the blouse is contrast with border. Very stunning saree. Sarees anni outstanding unnayandi. Just take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Lovely red and maroon combination. Elephants and parrots along with the plant booties border and lines. Lovely pallu with plant booties and contrast red color blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details, 18,400. Just take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Actually it's lighters. The saree is beautiful saree, and this is the pallu. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Bottle green and purple. All over. Beautiful design andi. Curves laga vachai. Curvy design. Waves. And the border is contrast with kaddi. And contrast pallu with deers and plant booties. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. పద్మజ గారు, ఇందాక నేను చూపించిన శారీకి ఈ శారీస్లో మీకు ఏది శారీ నచ్చినా కూడా కోడ్తో సహా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. పూనం గారు బ్లూ శారీ జస్ట్ నేను చూపించాను కదండి, అప్పుడు కోడ్తో సహా మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసింది మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. 733 733 7000 అనే నెంబర్కి మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఈజీ యువర్ పర్చేసింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ అండి. అండ్ ద కోడ్ ఈజ్ E468. Just note down the code E468. You can mention it in WhatsApp andi, and they will show you the saree. Thank you. అండ్ మీకు ఈ వీడియో మళ్ళీ చూసుకోవాలనుకుంటే ఇది మీకు సేవ్ అవుతుందండి, అవైలబుల్లో ఉంటుంది ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో, ఫేస్బుక్లో. అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ లైవ్ వీడియోస్ అన్నీ సేవింగ్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ 24 hours వరకు ఈ ఆఫర్ అప్లికబుల్ అవుతుందండి. ఈ శారీ వచ్చేసి పింక్ అండ్ డార్క్ పింక్, ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇక్కత్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి and beautiful diamonds and temples along with the kaddi border, contrast border. Wow, look at the pallu, how fantastic it is, very beautiful andi. Diamond vachai, triangles vachai, madhyalo matram huge tree booties vachai. I'll show you, wait. This is the pallu, fantastic pallu, very beautiful. And ఈ సారీ బ్లౌజ్ చూసేద్దాం. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద బార్డర్. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000 and it costs 10,160. Wow, beige and maroon color, very lovely. It's a tissue saree, all over diamonds. We got beautiful elephants, plant booties and parrots andi. Actually sarees koddiga look at the border, floral border along with the kaddi, and pallu vachesi ila vastundi, contrast tissue with florals. And the blouse is contrast with border, tissue blouse. And ee saree ila vastundandi. Actually sarees ani ulta fold ayi untayi, so don't get confused. This is the proper weave. Very lovely. Let's see another beautiful saree. And ఈ సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్, జస్ట్ ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree which is in bottle green. లవ్లీ పటోలాస్ అండి, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ ఎంత ఈజీగా ఉంటుందంటే వీటిని మెయింటైన్ చేయడం, మేనేజ్ చేయడం వెరీ ఈజీ, వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్. లవ్లీ గ్రీన్, all over cross diamonds with parrots, dolls and plant booties. And the border is tissue border, self color with diamonds and heart shape booties. And very lovely pallu, running pallu. Sorry, this is the pallu. With diamonds and heart shape booties border. And the blouse is contrast with border. Self color andi. Sorry, you can go for contrast. Alla na contrast alavatu ayipoyindi. Self color, you can go for contrast blouse. యూజువల్లీ అంటే నేను స్పెషల్గా ఇలాంటి సెల్ఫ్ కలర్ ఉన్న వాటికి కాంట్రాస్ట్గా మ్యాచ్ చేస్తానండి, చాలా లుక్ ఉంటుంది అలా మ్యాచ్ చేసినప్పుడు. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ అదొకసారి డీటెయిలింగ్ చూసేద్దాం. సారీది ఇందాక ఉల్టా ఉండే కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. You can visit our website www.brandmandir.com for more exclusive and latest collection. You will find designer collection also under our brand R for Roopmani, another brand from Brand Mandir which is exclusive for the unique designs. Let's see the saree and the coding and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Lovely peach. Very pretty saree. All over beautiful diamonds and florals. And border is kaddi with plant booties. And lovely pallu, self color with lines and plant booties and diamonds, and the blouse is self color with borders. So classy and so fabulous, and very lovely peach color. Peaches kuda chaala baaguntayandi anukuntam kani peach color kuda chaala beautiful, one of the very beautiful color which makes our pretty girls blush. And this saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And ఈ sarees అన్ని డోంట్ మైండ్ అండి, ఇవన్నీ ఉల్టా ఉంటాయి. యాక్చువల్లీ sarees అన్ని ఫోల్డ్ రివర్స్ లో చేసి పెడతారు బికాజ్ ఆ షైన్ అనేది పోకుండా ఉండడం కోసం ద వీవర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇలా రివర్స్ లో ఫోల్డ్ చేసి పెడతారు ఈ సారీ అనేది. సో ఇది మనకు అవుట్ సైడ్ నుంచి వస్తుంది. వెరీ లవ్లీ ఎలిఫెంట్స్, డాల్ బుటీస్ అండ్ ప్యారెట్స్, ప్లాంట్ బుటీస్, అండ్ ద బార్డర్ ఇస్ టిష్యూ విత్ డైమండ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్, heart shapes, and lovely pallu with zari lines and alternate heart shape and diamond booty border, and the blouse is contrast with border. Self color andi, ఇది డ్యూయల్ షేడ్ ఉంది, గ్రీన్ అండ్ మరూన్ కాంబినేషన్ లో. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 8640. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Actually ila vastundi. This is how it looks. Beautiful saree which is in mustard yellow with a maroon combination, zigzag design all over, and border vachesi elephants and parrots with lines, and this is the pallu with elephant and parrots border, and the blouse is contrast with border. And the beautiful saree, price it. Here we go. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Lovely purple and pink. Elephants, dolls, and border is contrast with kaddi, heart shape booties and diamonds, along with the 1-inch kaddi border. Pallu vachesi heart shape booties, diamonds. Contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. One more superb saree. And cross design ochindi. Blocks with elephants and parrots. ఇది కూడా కొంచెం ఉల్టానే ఉందండి. And the border is plants, plant booties and florals. Pallu is contrast with oval shaped booties, florals, and this is how it looks. And this is how you should drape, as I told you. This is the way you have to flaunt your saree. And the blouse is contrast pink color with border. Here we go with the pricing and details of the saree. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Actually, the weave చేసేటప్పుడు ఇలా fold చేసి పెడతారండి. This is the right way. So don't get confused. Because ప్రతి ఒక్క saree అలా చూయించినప్పుడు sarees నలిగిపోతాయి కదండి. So we have to take care of the sarees also. Let's see another beautiful saree. Lovely red, all over cross design. Oka airbrush weave laga vachindi idanta, along with the ikat booties, dotted booties, and border is leaves with diamond, along with the kaddi border. Pallu is contrast mustard color with plant and floral. And the blouse is contrast with border. Self color andi blouse. Ee saree pricing and details 9200. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another beautiful saree. Gorgeous saree. Blue and blue, all over ikka diamonds and florals, and border is tissue with diamonds and heart shaped booties with zari lines. And this is the pallu with border, alternate borders and the diamonds and heart shaped borders. And the blouse is self color with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Green with maroon and purple combination. Peacock green. All over leaf booties. Kaddi border, contrast kaddi border. And beautiful pallu with swans, very lovely water and swans. And the blouse is contrast with border. Here we go with the pricing and details of the saree. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Yes, Priyanka garu, we have lehengas andi. Tomorrow morning 11 AM live miss avakandi, lehenga show undi. So don't miss to watch. lovely pink and purple, magenta pink and purple. Diamonds, we have elephants and doll booties, and border వచ్చేసి diamonds and florals and the heart shape booties. Contrast pallu with diamonds and heart shape booties and lines, and the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, 8,640 and take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. One more stunning saree. It's a spun all over curvy design, curvy ikat design, and border వచ్చేసి contrast with elephants and parrots and lines. Border kuda elephants and parrots వచ్చిందండి. And the blouse is contrast with border, peacock blue and purple. ఈ saree pricing and details, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Bottle green with red వచ్చేస్తుంది. All over diamonds with elephants, doll booties and parrots. Cut tissue border, contrast tissue border with elephants, parrots along with the zari lines. Contrast pallu, with parrots and elephant border, and the blouse is contrast with border. Here we go with the pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Purple andi, all over leaf booties వచ్చాయి. Kaddi border with lovely swans pallu, and the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. నెక్స్ట్ అందరూ రెడీగా ఉండండి. అందరి ఫేవరెట్ శారీ వచ్చేస్తుంది బ్లాక్ కలర్. బ్లాక్ లవర్స్ జస్ట్ గ్రాబ్ దిస్ శారీ. ఇజంట్ ఇట్ లవ్లీ? స్టన్నింగ్ బ్లాక్ with beautiful design all over body, swans, parrots, butterflies, elephants, very beautiful, and fishes. Superb undandi saree matram, and border is contrast with lines. Very lovely pallu with temples and diamonds, and this is the blouse, contrast with border. Very stunning. వెంటనే బుక్ చేసుకోండి, మీరు తీసుకోలేదంటే నేను తీసేసుకుంటాను. వెరీ గార్జియస్ అండి, సూపర్గా ఉంది. అండ్ మీరు ఏదైతే అకేషన్కి వేసుకుని వెళ్తారో అండ్ యూ విల్ విత్ ద టాప్. జస్ట్ టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ and send us on 733 733 7000. Lovely patola, very stunning and lovely. blue and purple, peacock blue. All over cranes వచ్చాయి, cranes design with dotted booties. And border వచ్చేసి contrast kaddi border. And very lovely pallu with swans, contrast pallu. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Green and pink and very lovely tissue saree. All over ఇక్కడ diamonds and florals వచ్చాయి. And border వచ్చేసి plant booties వచ్చాయి with kaddi. Contrast border. Pallu is contrast with plants and plant booties and florals. And the blouse is contrast tissue blouse with border. Meghana garu Paithani saree strip evening 4 PM kandi. Just stay tuned. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Yes అండి, మీరు వీడియో కాల్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. 733 733 7000. ప్యూర్ పటోలా సారీస్ చూపిస్తామండి. మేఘ్నా గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ప్రసన్న గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ. లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ. Blue and maroon. It all over ikat florals. Contrast border with plant booties and lines. Contrast pallu with oval shaped plant and florals. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Wow, stunning green and pink combination. All over checks design వచ్చిందండి. Blocks వచ్చాయి, plant and parrot along with the doll booties, elephants, and lovely border tissue with diamonds and heart shape booties, and lovely pallu with tissue borders వచ్చాయి దీనికి, diamonds and heart shape booties, and the blouse is contrast with border. Very stunning, very lovely saree. Just grab this beautiful saree along with the price and code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely saree. Let's see another pretty saree andi. Last saree adripoyindi. One more stunning awestruck black color. All over florals, ikat florals and diamonds. Very beautiful and very gorgeous saree. Border chesi self color with diamonds and heart shape booties along with the lines. Contrast pallu with diamonds and heart shape booties along with the saree lines. Beautiful blouse, chag maroon with border. Inta fantastic ga undi chudandi combination. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see the mannequin sarees and then come to our tables. Lovely green and red patola design all over body, ikat design. Contrast border with diamonds and heart shape booties. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Another gorgeous saree which is in red color, stunning red and maroon. All over beautiful plants and florals, elephants, very lovely. Contrast self border with plant booties and e-saree pricing and details. It's a spun material. 18,400. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another beautiful saree which is in mustard and blue color. All over beautiful checks వచ్చాయండి blocks తో and butterflies, doll booties, parrots వచ్చాయి and very gorgeous border with diamonds and heart shape booties. And ఈ saree price 21,952. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. చూసారు కదండి బ్యూటిఫుల్ mannequin sarees. Let's move on to the table. ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను చూపించిన సారీస్ మరొకసారి టేబుల్ పైన. చూసారు కదండి బయట స్టన్నింగ్ 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 పటోలా సారీస్. అన్ని చీరలు అద్రిపోయాయండి, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ ద సారీ విచ్ ఐఎమ్ వేరింగ్. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీస్ ఇంత రీజనబుల్ ప్రైజెస్కి మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ దొరకవండి. 24 hours మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. జస్ట్ గ్రాబ్ దిస్ డిస్కౌంట్. సంక్రాంతి ఆఫర్ కింద వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్లో మీకు ఇచ్చేస్తున్నామండి. రేపు 11 AM లైవ్కి మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అంటిల్ దెన్ బాయ్, గుడ్ నైట్, లవ్ యూ ఆల్, స్టే సేఫ్.